Alam mo yung asawa ko, daig pa niya yung tanod sa kanto. Wala pa man sa curfew, pinapauwi na ako. Nung una ang cute kasi sabi ko grabe naman pagmamahal sa akin ito. Pero nung tumatagal parang kulang na lang tali sa leeg, isa na akong aso. Cellphone ko, computer, tablet, minsan may pag-text pa sa katrabaho ko. Malate lang ng konti ng uwi, konting inom, hala, ng babae na daw ako. Kaya sabi ko sa mga katrabaho ko kung hindi work-related, bawal mag-hi o mag-hello. Wala pa man akong nagagawang mali. Feeling ko nakakulong na ako. Ako si Fred, gwardyado ng asawa ko. Kala mo naman, pogi. Di naman. Kaya ayun, napapagod na ako. Stories like this are quite funny. Lalong-lalo na yung sitwasyon ni Fred na feeling ko naman he doesn't mean it heavily na parang pagod na siya sa asawa niya. But there's a hint. Alam mo yung meron siyang bahid ng katotohanan. Kasi who wouldn't be tired and exhausted of a person who constantly thinks na you are cheating kahit wala naman. Kahit walang basihan, walang pinanggagalingan, kahit alam mong feeling mo it's all in their head, still, you are getting a heck of it. Diba? You are getting a lash out of it. Na parang hindi mo alam kung ano mang nagawa ko. Whatever message yung nakita mo sa cellphone ko is something that I do not know about. Kasi lahat ng tinatanong mo ngayon, lahat ng sinasabi mo ngayon ay mga bagay na parang hindi ko alam kung saan mo hinugot. Mga walang basehan. And mind you girls, it's not cute anymore when you do this constantly. Actually, hindi nga lang babae gumagawa nito May mga lalaki din gumagawa nito. It's kind of exhausting when you ask constantly kung ano yung intention sa amin ng mga lalaki, ng mga babae. When every single day, your partner is trying to show you just how much they love you. Nag-exert sila ng effort para ipakita sa'yo na importante ka, na mahalaga ka sa kanila, na mahal ka nila, and there's no one else in their life but you. And yet, nagagawa mo pa rin magduda. Alam niyo bang nakakapagod patunayan yung sarili mo, especially when your loyalty is being questioned. Your faithfulness is being questioned. Parang kulang na lang sabihin mo sa sarili mo na gawin ko na lang kaya. Para all this fight, all these arguments, mabigyan na lang sila ng hustisya, mabigyan na lang sila ng gamit kasi ganun din Even if I do it, even if I don't, it's the same thing. I suffer from it. Nagigain ko yung consequences of doing bad things when I haven't done anything. So my love, it's exhausting. So if you are thinking na the reason why your partner is, sabihin na natin, being cold sa'yo or drifting away from you, it's not because they found someone else. It's because you pushed them away. It's because you held on them too tightly to the point na hindi na sila makahinga, na hindi sila magkaroon ng social life, hindi sila magkaroon ng healthy relationship with their workmates kasi they have to think kung ito ba, pagseselosan ba ito ng partner ko? Ito baka pag nakita kami nito, pag-awayan na naman namin to. Uy, sa picture natin, layo kayo sa akin, doon ako sa babae. Kasi alam nyo na. Uy, pag nag-picture tayo dun sa outing, wag muna kayo sumamang mga lalaki, kami munang mga girls kasi paalam ko sa kanya, all girls kami. It's kinda hard living like that. Sobrang constricted, lahat ng galaw mo calculated. Ikaw mismo, tinatanong mo na, anong nagawa ko in the past? Anong nagawa ko to merit this doubt? Should I not be wearing something like this? Should I not be too vain sa sarili ko? Dapat ba hindi ako nag-aayos? Hindi ako nagpapaganda? Hindi ako nagpapagwapo? Kasi whenever I do, Instead na ma-proud siya, maging masaya siya na nag-aayos ako para sa kanya, ang lagi niyang sinasabi, ba't nag-aayos ka? Sinong papaayusan mo? Sinong dahilan kung ba't ka nag-aayos? Well, ikaw yung partner eh. Sa tingin niyo ba, whenever we fix ourselves, we do it for someone else? We do it for you. Because if you are scared to lose us, we are just as scared to lose you. That's why we're fixing ourselves. That's why we are taking care of our appearance. Kaya kami natututong mag-makeup, mag-mix and match ng damit, nag-aayos, papagupit ng buhok ang mga lalaki, nag-shave para clean look. It's because of you. Kasi they want you to be proud na sila yung partner nyo. But if that entails na pagdududahan nyo sila because you think they are somehow nagpapakyut to someone else, nakakatamad, nakakapagod to explain every single thing you do to a person who doesn't need your explanation kasi meron na silang own explanation in their heads. My love, it's tiring to love a person like that. It's tiring to be with a person like that. And you know what? It's tiring to be the person who constantly makes an effort to prove themselves in a relationship. At parang sa lahat ng ginawa mo, sa lahat ng binigay mo, sa lahat ng pinakita mo, parang none of those can ever validate your faithfulness and loyalty sa isang relationship. It hurts. Bukod sa it hurts, nasa borderline siya ng insulting. So my love, if you don't think you can trust a person, whether it's because ganun ka lang talaga as a person or meron kang past trauma dahil na-cheat ka before ng partner mo. If you don't think you can trust a person, if you think na i-constrict mo yung movements niya just to make yourself feel good about the relationship, if you think na mahahamper mo yung tinatawag nating freedom, privacy, just because you want that person all to yourself, then my love, you are not yet ready to commit to someone. Kasi my love, no man is an island. Every relationship needs the outside world to work. Kung walang outside factor ang isang relationship, good or bad man yan, it's gonna be a boring kind of relationship. It's gonna be sad. Maybe not for you, but for your partner. So if you don't think you can respect that, freedom and privacy, then wag ka munang makipagrelasyon. You are not yet ready. Klaro? Klaro.